Hi everyone, I'm Fawad. In this video, I'm going to tell you about literal equations and rewriting. My dear students, actually literal equation is an equation which involves two or more than two variables. So, and rewriting means like in that particular one equation, if there are two variables, you will rewrite it to make any variable as a subject. Have a look on this question and I will perform the rewriting of the literal equation in this question. So let's begin. Solve the equation for m. So guys, for m means that you have to make m as a subject. It means you have to rewrite this literal equation. This is the literal equation because it includes two variables. What are the values of m when n equals this, this and this? So we have three n values that are -2, 0 and 2. When I will rewrite the literal equation in the form of m, so after that I will put the n values turn by turn in the n place and get the m values. So let's start. So guys, I have 4 equals 2m minus 5n. Solve the equation for m. It means we have to make m as a subject. We have to find the m value. So the other things we have to shift on the other side. So guys, here 2m, this minus 5n I want to remove. So I will do the opposite operation for plus 5n on both sides of equal to. So guys, what will happen with this step, the 5n will remove from the side of the m and your left hand side will become 5n plus 4. Guys, after that, as I need the value of m because I have to solve the equation for m, so I must remove 2. So I will divide by 2 on both sides. So 2 cancel and m value will come 5n plus 4 divided by 2. Now guys, I got the solution of m. Now what I will do, what are the values of m? I have to calculate the values of m when n equal -2, 0 and 2. So guys, in 3 steps I will put n equals to -2 in this equation. So let this equation name is a. So I will say in equation a. Okay guys, so I'm going to put n value -2 here. So 5 minus 2 in the place of n plus 4 divided by 2 will be equals to m value, and it will come -10 plus 4 divided by 2, and -10 plus 4 will be -6 divided by 2 m, and in this way, which implies that m equals to -3. So guys, when we have n equal -2, I have m equal -3. Guys, the same thing we will do. We put n equals to 0. So when we put n equal to 0, 5 times 0 plus 4 divided by 2 equal m. So just do some mental math. 0 plus 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the m value will come 2 when n equals to 0. Guys, it will not affect if you write 2 equal to m or m equal to 2. I mean, if you write m on the left side, it's okay. Guys, the last value we have to calculate, and that value for n equals to 2. So put n equals to 2 in this equation. So you will get a 5 times 2 plus 4 divided by 2 equals to m. It will be 10 plus 4 divided by 2, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So guys, we got the m values for the given n values, and I told you how to rewrite your literal equation. I hope you understand. If you have any question, mention in the comment box. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.